Hello guys, welcome to Fish Academy. Yeah, right now I'm in my farm trying to change the water. The fish you are seeing here, these are just 14 weeks fish from ashing date. From 14 weeks fish from ashing date, and as you can see, they are doing quite well. The fish you are seeing here, they are very smart. Can you see this? Just 14 weeks from Fish Academy, they are doing well. Can you see? 14 weeks is massive. As I said earlier, if you want to succeed in fish farming, the secret is feeding and good water. The fish you are seeing here, they undergo no treatment of no kind right from day one. They have been smart, no treatment, no antibiotics, nothing at all, and they are doing great. Can you see this? It's nice. From Fish Academy, and this is from my farm, my pond number 8. In case you've not yet hit the subscribe button, just do well to hit the subscribe button if you like what you are seeing right here in my farm in Port Harcourt. This is nice. 14 weeks from ashing date, and in the next some few months from now, I'm going to be selling them off. Also, right here, I am expecting one of my clients from Abuja who will be visiting my farm today, Mr. Shegu. Please, if you have viewed this video, just please say hi to the people. I'll be expecting you in the farm in today or tomorrow, as you've said earlier that you have already arrived Port Harcourt. So in order to search, or in order to see the fish feed pellet machine, so I can supply to him. So if you've not yet ordered for your pellet machine, you need to order for your pellet machine, so you produce your own food to feed your own fish, so that you can cut costs and maximize profit. That is what Mr. Shegu wants to do, and that is why he has embarked on a trip from Abuja down to Port Harcourt in order to see me in person, and maybe probably go back with his pellet machine, or maybe I send it to him there in Abuja. I have delivered some pellet machine to some people already, and I think it's all about trust if you are doing business. And with Fish Academy, you know that whenever you invest, whenever you put your money, you know that your money is safe and secure, and that your goods and goods or services will be delivered to you as it ought to be. Yeah, don't forget, I also said that I'll be bringing you updates from my hatchery. I'll be bringing you updates from my hatchery. I think today they are 7 days old today from ashing date. Yeah, 7 days old from ashing date, and they are doing so well. They are doing so well. So I'm going to be bringing you updates. In case you've not clicked to view to see how fries do look like, you click on my previous video. When you click on my previous video, you are going to see the looks of a fry, how they do look like, and it has been from my farm. Thank you very much. If you are just coming up, if you are just checking my channel for the first time, you please hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, and if you love what you are seeing, endeavor to show this video, share this video with your friends. And if you want to learn more about fish farming, if you want me to come around your fish farm, you can invite me no matter where it is, be in Nigeria, across Nigeria. I will come around and we do business together. Thank you very much for hitting on the subscribe button. Thank you for making Fish Academy your most preferred channel as far as fish farming is concerned. I will be with you live in one of my video, and I tell you, all that you need to do, all that you are going to have, all you are going to gain from this video is going to be positively good. Everything is going to be good, and you are going to be benefiting. And I want to thank some of you that have been calling in so many times to thank me on what I'm doing. I want to let you know that it's my pleasure. I have to tell you the top secret that people have been hiding from you, because what I know, whether you pay me for it or you don't pay me for it, I will give it to you. But it's better we do it personally, in person. Thank you very much. This is Fish Academy.